hang you up from the heavens. I don't know how to let you go, or if I should keep you. I don't know how to let you know. I really don't got a reason. I'd like to grab you by the hair and drag you to the devil. To confuse you, I'll make a hole just to see how. See through clean, I can cut you. I'd like to grab you by the hair and hang you up from the heavens.